Welcome back to telecommunicationresellers.com. I'm Greg, and we're going to continue with part 3 of our Netgear Smart Wizard walkthrough. We've went through the setup, we've went through the content filtering in the maintenance section. Let's go down here to our advanced section. Let's look under our wireless settings. Under our wireless settings here, we have our wireless settings, and we want to enable the wireless radio. That'll be that home network 1 that they see. The SSE broadcast be the name, and this enable WMM. Let's see what it says over here on the side. So basically what this is like a quality of service setting right here, where to give priority over particular types of information such as video and audio over any type of basic surfing and stuff like that. That's what that's pretty much all about. Let's go down here to our wireless repeater. This will be if you were going to act as a bridge mode, and all it would do is just pick up the signal from another router and pass it on to your next station. Let's go down here to our port forwarding. This is our port forwarding section. As you can see, I have a few things under our port forwarding, and I'll do a short video after this on how to set up a port forwarding on this Netgear. Let's look under our WAN settings, WAN setup. This disable SPI firewall, as it says over here, protects your LAN against denial of service attacks. I recommend you keep it on at all times. These things here you don't really have to keep on, and this NAT filtering here is basically if you want to secure it, it will kind of block point-to-point sessions and things like that. So if you're having problems with like point-to-point or gaming software, check to make sure that this thing is open. Let's look at our LAN setup. Our LAN setup, it shows our device name again. It shows the IP address. This will be the IP address you'll use in the browser to access your router. It shows your IP range. It shows just the gateway, and that number 2 will be the first usable IP all the way up to 254. And you can set these things to have 1,000,000 devices connected to it if you want. Let's go into our dynamic DNS. This will be an additional service which you will not use, so you'll just leave it unchecked. Let's look under our static routes. If you want to add a particular static route for a particular reason, you can add a destination route for that. We can talk about that another time. Look at our remote management. Now this would be what you would use if you were away from your home and you needed to access your router. This would be the IP address you would use. You would put this address in your address bar along with that port number, and it would access you to this router. So if you're not going to be using it remotely, I recommend you cut this off. Remote management. UPnP is just another service. And that's pretty much our basic route run through of this Netgear Smart Wizard. Here's a knowledge base right here. That'll take you over here, and that is the router that we are working with, 54 megabit wireless router. And this will be where you would ask any questions or download any drivers or whatever for that router. Here's some additional documentation right here, how to configure your router. But I've just showed you. So that's pretty much a basic walkthrough of the Netgear Smart Wizard. I'm going to do another one. I'm going to come back and show you how to set up that port forwarding on the Netgear Smart Wizard. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm Greg from telecommunicationresellers.com.